Macka, welcome to another Dirty Berry social media top 10 countdown, where basically we talk about all of the top videos and pictures that have been circulated via Twitter, Facebook, Instagram during the past week. So let's get to it. Kapew! Number 10, left side speaks the holy word. If you never are no left side, let me refresh your memory.
From you know your belly no bang.
Yeah, him. So pre the video and tell me who him there imitate.
Ladies, stop depending on a man to make you happy. Cause he's gonna see that you're not happy within. And what do you think that's gonna do? That's gonna turn him away.
Yup, none other than Joel Osteen.
When I woke up, the first thought that came to my mind...
Wonder if me can try do it. Never. Okay, epic fail. Number 9, Asian man turns up downtown. Why Jamaican woman love broke out the little foreigner them so? You tell me no. It's like so once them touch down ya, Red Label must not be the only wine them get. My girl and the people in the crowd just today are pretty finer, like same as a little piece of pian rooks. Until him go do this. They jump on back, whatever this anting is. And just like that, he's going to be inducted as one of us. You know? You know, this is going to bring me on the verge of tears. These are the true inspiring stories that need to come from Ray of Hope. Yeah. Who's with me? Number 8, rural one drop. Just watch. Pre, keep uni yai pan the brother in the background.
Drop with it. Walk with it, drop down, my friend. Walk with it.
Now the country girl here move like she have cramps in her leg and she try to shake it out. Not even the iron board of my yard stiff so. That is exactly how man spot a potential wine from far and Jim screech them way in and come collect it. Ignore the toothlessness. Team gap. So now people check out the random video of the week. Bam!
When the video like touch Jamaican girls in a party, I saw them behave. Yeah, me I say become ear just you know, yeah, become Palma Litsa, become a dress maker Baba Litsa, and become a shoemaker Papa Litsa, yeah you.
Number 7, the Karachi kick. So this video has been making the rounds on Facebook and Instagram recently. And as Wally British would have said, me tired of it.
Hey girl, I want to bring my pussy to me and move. When the police come down, me now move. Now the police come, me now move. I get on wicked. What are you doing?
Run, girl! You did turn up and ask him if how you do wrong. Clearly you did something wrong. You know I was gonna make fun of our scream, but Jano, they kick the connect like my thumb driving on my laptop. Number 6, Macka-Matterhorn-Shebada and Matterhorn. Can somebody please tell me how Macka-Matterhorn and Tony Matterhorn end up in a cas-cas? The two of them somehow got into it on Instagram and Facebook, and the rest is history. Priya.
And if I was dissing Macka-Matterhorn, I would have tell her she look like the blood green alligator from Princess and the Frog. You don't look good, green lizard.
I look at my face good, let's see my blood clot love bump. Yolo man get man will love them blood clot and love my...
Then at one point, Macka-Matterhorn go put in a meme with Tony Matterhorn a hail up Shebada. And little Mr. Shebada, he were not hard pleased. So him fire back with a voice message here.
Dirty Macka-Matterhorn, this is Dibby Shibby, me just get the message. Oh, you post me, I'm Matterhorn. Look here, Dirty Macka-Matterhorn. Don't mix me, here, don't use me as props. But use the ear and the green ear them for your front. But every time you bend down for piss, or wipe, they might beg you for cover them with the lady glow. They get them for your front whiter than the head of Cisco.
No man, you can't tell so Shebada and Tony Matterhorn used to got enough Sunday school. A pure biblical scriptural cussing a go on.
The lady with Jesus begged for this 7 times. Or you come up still dirty.
Cause she, Ruth and Naomi used to par in the Bible, you know. But you Macka bad mind, them just throw her out and Ruth and Naomi say, where thou goest, I goeth. Macka, you all like the woman at the garden that gets sent.
Number 5, bubbling Papa. No sir, Papa did was R on something. Him did just 2 turned up.
They pay your money. They pay your money.
Keep me smiling, the world turning when you're whining. Then call and go crash around at the city like mine. And that makes you feel me thinking like 9.
What kind of jeans that him did I wear? But anyway, Papa, your day has come, as I have found you your match.
Stop the rhythm, make me check a flow. How which girl in a can't wine a touch a...
Bang. Number 4, weightlifting mouth. Wait, what you say?
Watch out. Here he goes. That's Boyo. That's rocks right there, man. Jesus! Up in the air. Wow, Boyo. Boyo. That's Boyo with the jug filled with water. Up again, Boyo. Turn your roll, Boyo. Turn your roll. Up there.
G's and P's! For the dentist there, I must camera trick. Must camera trick. That, my people, is talent. My teeth hurt me just a watch. Can you imagine if the brother they ever turn a cannibal? Number 3, pregnant whiner. This lady in a ripe old pregnant stage turn in a big scaly skettle dancehall queen when she hear fear song, broke it down. Anyhow she were to ever make the mistake and bust her one sneeze, the baby would have jumped right through her kunchu. Can you imagine I see the girl from back way and I say, the girl they properly, me gonna make a step to her. Then step to her. And before you could have even refresh your news feed, you see the big breadfruit belly. No sir, split. 1 foot wine. Egg top. Most righteous and eternal Father, please don't let that child come from her mother's womb twerking on the umbilical cord. Amen. Number 2, cheese versus puss. So these two women just not like them one another and they have been posting videos at this and a cuss off the other one. Meat, cheese.
Stinking, dirty, nasty watermelon puss. You can talk about my kids, my 4 kids. Reverse the thing. It wasn't me. It was Bam Bam, baby, who get bitten by a rat. Come on, take a look. This is puss. Not my fault why every man I will like grab them. Puss, look underneath it right here, so dirty. Puss, you can't do what me do. Puss, look here. Puss, my belly flat. The titty, my own them. They're not silicone, but they are mine. Yeah, and you're in a worries with me.
Now meat, puss.
Today we are at you know that man body, that dirty man, cheesy blast, dirty cheese, the one with the cheese country. Yeah, today is our funeral, but cheese with the whole pa liver spot them by your blood tungsty. You put up me and your picture cheese. Come on, me and me help now I build the blood arc, yeah.
I am convinced that both cheese and puss have no work at all because the time and the energy that them put in their videos there at show word pan one another, enough MP now put in them constituency. All I know is that cheese, she a win because she go to the extreme. I'll keep funeral service, I'll print program.
We came here and unfortunately, them say your body can't bury ya. I don't got this. You're going down today.
So let me know, people. Are you team cheese? Are you team puss? And the number 1 goes to Ishawna versus FootaHype. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, shut up now. So everybody know Ishawna and FootaHype. Our man from when PJ Dina broke up. And from them left, things just now go right at all. The breakup sour. So Ishawna has been putting out some song about a particular ex where stalker and all of these things.
When me left a man, me no take him back. When me put down, me no pick up back. Me no play stocky, I want do some dopey. Find a next woman fi auntie. You can't wine me again.
And I guess FootaHype say him couldn't take it anymore and decide say him gonna come bust it. Fanar.
I find out about she and Skater after the breakup. Skater actually confessed to me and Joseph at one point. But at that point, me never know that Joseph and I is involved as well. Tell the people in that and stop try like you want paint a wrong image of FootaHype. Me not freaky boy. Me not coming like the dread. Me not freaky boy like the dread.
Threesome, they withdraw and scatter. No, sir. Me not believe it. Devil is a liar. Foota, me get what you say. And if you're right, me honestly sympathize with you. But you can't come on stage and admit say you've been giving Ishawna a bun right through the relationship. Say you did abuse her physically. And then come expect say, you must just be there right and treat she like so she had the old piece of crabby washcloth. No! You just as what else suggests is that you and Ishawna go link some TV people and start a reality show called Real Dancehall Exes of Jamaica. Starring you, Ishawna, Rinceville, Bugle, The Angel, and Beanie Man. Well, that's it, Burritos. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media top 10 countdown. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. All of them something there. Oh my God, Burritos, but they have chicken gunya for like the past week, and they have me a certain way. I still feel like a pain right here, so I am my uncle. But you know, me I go past it. So take care, be safe.